Today, I'm showing you how to contact Chase support, whether it's through online banking or if you have no access. So if you do have access currently, hit the three dots over here. Then you're gonna find your way over to help and support. And here you got all of these options. It is entirely up to you which one you select. But if you want an actual human to talk to or a robot to schedule you a meeting, you can do any of these options. I prefer the call us, super simple, super awesome. But let's say it is a situation where they can't really help you out online. You can always schedule a meeting or just send them a message. All of these work. I recommend the calling and scheduling though. These are the two that I like to go to, especially when I have an issue. So let's say you don't have access to this. You want to contact them, but you don't have access to this little area right over here. The solution is pretty simple. All you need to do is Google them. They have a public customer support. So literally Google it up. Boom. If you want a personalized one that's near you, that'll also help. But it's super simple, super straightforward. Give them a call. A robot's going to pick up and, basically guide you through the basics of like verifying that it's you and helping out the customer support agent. But by the end of it, you should be able to talk to a real human. I hope this helped. If it did, subscribe.